there's nothing worse than tying your values, your principles to materialistic things, because in the end, it's all vanity. And what I mean by that is it's not going to last. You buy, think about it. You buy the latest gadget, you have that feeling for a couple of days, couple of weeks maybe, and then the feeling just fades away. And then next thing you know, you're just looking at it, it's okay, just another laptop that I have. It gets the job done. And then the next gadget comes along. You're like, oh my gosh, yes, I want that one. And then you're in this constant cycle. And so the idea of consumerism, the social influence that we have today in our society from our peers, right? Because we're social creatures, we are concerned about how people perceive us. So we will act in a manner in which we want people to perceive us in a socially positive way. One of the things that we have learned over time is to buy things that signal to others that you're doing just fine. You're doing a good job.